Look how shiny we look. So good. Damn.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I've got a great video for you guys. We're doing the ultimate guide for washing your car at a self-service station. I'm going to be going through some little tips and tricks, some hacks. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, I usually have two sections to my car wash, okay? I've got section 1, I've got section 2. Section 1, we go with a pre-rinse and also a soapy rinse, right? And after that, we either use a microfiber towel or microfiber mitts. So yeah, microfiber towel, microfiber mitt. Usually start with $1 or $2, doesn't really matter too much, depending how much you need for yourself, but let's get started. First, we'll go with the low pressure pre-soak. Then after that, we'll go with the high pressure soap. We're going to press the high pressure soap, it's already pressed, but another thing, try to park your car in the shade, not in the sun. That way the soap actually stays on the car for longer. When you guys have about 30 seconds left, go to the foaming brush, press that foaming brush. This is going to be used on your rims. So now, only use this on your rims, not your paint, not good for your paint. So, it doesn't completely clean it, but it gives it a good enough clean. You can go over with the microfiber towel later on. Alright guys, once you're done with that, grab your microfiber towel or microfiber mitt, which is more preferable, to be honest. I forgot to bring mine today. But yeah, start wiping the car down. I usually leave the front of the car for last just because it's the hottest part of the car. Usually dries up really quickly. So usually when you leave it as the last, then you start washing down, at least you don't get any spots or anything like that. So yeah. Alright guys, this is where the hacks really start, alright? Put in $1, we go to the spot free rinse. This right here is what's going to make your car look spot free, literally, like what it says. It's spot free. Basically what that spot free does is, it filters out all the minerals and stuff out of the water, so whenever the car's just drying, it's not going to leave any spots on the car, which is what we want. What you want to do is you want to start from the roof. Get all that soap off the roof. And we want that clean water in there. Yeah, this part is the most important part, so we want to make sure we take our time with it and make sure that everything's rinsed off properly. Alright guys, next step, we want to make sure we rinse and squeeze all the water out of our towels. And then we want to go for a little drive so all the water comes off the car, right? We've got a spot free rinse anyways, meaning most of that water is going to slide straight off. Drive for about 2-3 minutes, let all that water slide off, and then yeah, we'll start properly detailing it with some ceramic coating. That's where the good stuff is, that's where the paint really shines the most.
Alright guys, now that we've gone for our little drive, 3-4 minutes, see, a lot of the water has came off. You're gonna have little spots like this. You know, what you want to do is you just want to quickly touch it up and it's gone. Alright, so now that all the water's gone, if it is like still very wet, dry it up a little bit before you start adding the ceramic coating. But yeah, once it's about like something like this, add this ceramic. I use this personally, but you can use any ceramic coating. It's just a spray at the end of the day. Look, it'll last about 3 to 4 washes, then it will start wearing off. So in that 3 or 4 washes though, I promise you the car will look really good. It gets rid of a lot of the swirls just for that 3 or 4 washes. It just makes the car look a lot cleaner than it actually is. Then we've got tire shine, any tire shine, honestly it doesn't really matter too much. But yeah, let's get started with the ceramic coating first. When you're applying the ceramic coating, you want to spray onto here evenly as much as possible. You can spray on the paint as well. That's what I would start doing later on. The way you want to apply it is you want to choose an area to apply it, and you just want to just go over it. And you want to make sure it is dry as well. So once you've applied it, so let's say I've applied it all here, you want to get the clean side and just go over it. You can use either a clean microfiber towel or just use the clean side. Doesn't matter too much. But not sure if it picks up on camera, but it just looks so good. So sometimes you just want to just grab it. You can do literally just one spray across like this, and then use it on the whole panel. And after you've used it, if you go over it just with your finger, you should be able to feel that it feels very slidey. Like, I feel this one's very grippy. This one, yeah, fingers just slide straight over it. Feels really good. Alright guys, now that we're done with the ceramic coating, let's get on with the tire shine. So I showed the little hack of using the brush. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, right? So if you've got a bit of dust from your brakes, will probably work. So like my rear rim right now looks good, in my opinion, but my front one doesn't look that good. So so we'll do another hack. Tire shine. So apply the tire shine. So another thing you can do, you can actually apply the tire shine straight onto the rim as well, like this. Usually this makes it look a lot clearer than it actually is. Would I recommend it? Yeah, if you're in a rush. Cleaning it's probably a better idea. Cleaning it properly is probably a better idea in my opinion. But yeah, that's one way of cleaning your rim, I guess. Alright guys, this is the end result. Look how shiny we look. So good. Damn. That ceramic coating does bits, I tell you. Yeah, it's definitely worth using that ceramic coating, as you can see. It's literally like mirror-like finish, honestly. Yeah, definitely do that ceramic coating. It's definitely worth it. Alright guys, we're done with cleaning the car. If you've got any tips or tricks that you know that I haven't mentioned, put in the comments. If you liked the video, obviously like, subscribe, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one. Take care.